Hi, I'm Michael Pisani. I'm the Vice Chancellor for Research and Economic Development, and I'd like to welcome you to this Emerging Technologies Symposium. This is the fourth in a series of symposiums UCR is having as part of its campaign, Living the Promise.
We want to highlight some of the excellent work that's been done here at UCR by our faculty and our students. And really what we want to do is show you how we're translating some of this technology to our communities, to our nation, and to the world.
Our focus in my particular team is really on biomass conversion to fuels and chemicals. We can pre-treat materials and get both corn stover and poplar wood very fast conversion to sugars or breakdown in only 2 days. So that's really a big change in terms of the playing field for this technology.
We're really relying on this computational grid and data science to unravel the complex chemistry that's associated with biomass burning plumes. We get thousands of compounds in a given source, and we're trying to track the chemistry of each individual compound and how those compounds form pollutants in the environment, which is important for providing better models for fire managers and the air quality management community.
And now what we have at UCR is a Sustainable Integrated Grid Initiative where vehicles like the bus that you see or cars, so we have solar power generating the fuel for these vehicles. They're connected to the grid, and so in time, the vehicles could either draw power from the grid or push power back in. And those are things that people are talking about today.
One of my other colleagues, Professor Christidis, is doing work with social data and health analytics. So people talk on Twitter about many things, so you can collect this information, you can find out what people are talking about, right? Are they talking about Obamacare and where? You can ask very interesting queries that involve health and social data.
There is a Center for Plant Cell Biology here at UCR who work together on these really tremendously grand challenges, which range from improving crops and also to understanding really how plants work. We're very fortunate here at UCR that we are not too big and the boundaries between departments are not so great, that we do work together on these grand challenges, and in this particular case, on the challenge of global food security.
My vision is to provide quality STEM experiences for our students so that our students will be competitive with the very best colleges, college graduates from Stanford, UCLA, and Berkeley, etc. So our labs look very much like research labs. The way we've been able to do this is bridge the upstairs and downstairs. I call the upstairs our research labs, where the most cutting edge science, a lot of what you've heard so far, is going on. So essentially that is the way we can provide experiences for our undergraduates that are equivalent, if not better, than what many students in STEM are getting from places like Stanford and Caltech.
So here at UCR, we are part really of a global network of scientists and engineers. Together we collect data, we develop tools, we create technologies that ultimately will deliver the solutions to these environmental problems.